entrepreneurship, it was Del Grimes who said this of entrepreneurship. He said, an entrepreneur is someone who will jump off a cliff, assemble an airplane on the way down, right? But then he went on to say that Black entrepreneurs do this with a toothpick and a napkin. In fact, the reason why Black entrepreneurs often are stuck at the $24,000 per annum income or bottom line is because we are doing this with a toothpick. And sometimes as we move through the process of becoming more emotionally intelligent, it tunes us into the resources that we need in order to be successful. So I want to walk you through building yourself up as an entrepreneur through the avenue of building up your emotional intelligence. So what is emotional intelligence? Well, it's this personal thing. It's part of you and what your personality is, but it's also a social competence. So how can you actually interact with the people in the world around you and interact in such a way that it allows you to connect with them, engage with them in a way that maintains your alignment with your deepest and purest desires. So basically we call this our truth. So how do you maintain your interactions with people, but then also maintain what you call your truth? So when we think about emotional intelligence, we have to categorize it in